How to find text size settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find text size settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find here this one, display and brightness, and here you will find the text size. Click on it and then you can make it large or small, it's easy, and then just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find text size settings on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.